How to make YouTube channel art using Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to log into your Canva official website, and then you just have to search for YouTube art from here. And as you can see, there are multiple templates for YouTube art. This can be a YouTube video template or thumbnail or many more. So you have to choose one of them. So let's just go with this one. We'll have to click on the customize this template from here, and now you can see we can edit all the part from this design. So we can just click on uploads and we can just change the image from this to this one, and we can also edit the subscribe button from here, and we can also edit the name from here, as you can see. And you can also change the taglines from here, and then you can also drag and drop the total image from here, and you can also change the color of subscribe button from here, from this to this. And then you can just click on share, and you can just download it on PNG format or PDF format, any format you are on your liking. And if you click on PNG format, you just have to download it, and you can use it on YouTube as a thumbnail, or it you can also show it on the last section of the video for your YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.